Hello children, how are you everyone? This is your Shaktivel Max teacher. Today we are going to see a triangle. From the triangle, 10 important MCQ question we are going to see. Let's see one by one. First, the vertical pole 5 meter long. So we have one vertical pole is there. Vertical pole in the sense it should be 90 degree. So like that, I am going to draw one vertical pole here. Okay. So base first I am taking because it makes a 90 degree, that is means vertical pole. So they said like what is that, 5 meter long. So this is 5 meter long they said, and cast a shadow 2 meter long on the ground. Suppose it is from here to there, it's cast a shadow 2 meter long they said. Okay, right, fine, they said shadow is a 2 meter for the pole on the ground. At the same time, that is very important, at the same time in the sense angle will not change, that is very important point. At the same time, tower case compared to the pole, tower will be little higher. Okay, so I am going to take a tower little bit bigger one compared to the pole. This pole is very small. Okay, now I am taking tower is little bigger one. Right, now shadow is a 25 meter long on the ground. So shadow I am taking from this point, this also will make 90 degree. Okay, from this 90 degree, I mean from the foot of the what is the tower to the end point, it makes what is that, 25 meter long. This is for example I am giving, so don't think it's a 2 meter, it's a 25 like that, it's a 2 meter. Okay, now the angle will never change, because of that only they have mentioned here what is that, at the same time. At the same time in the sense angle it never change, that is same. Suppose if I consider it will be theta, the same thing for the smaller one also. Okay, right, what they asked to find the height of the tower. Suppose if I am taking h, the h we have to find. Right, now let me take the names for this. This is A and B, C, D, E. So D, E we have to find. Now here we have a two triangle, one ABC, another one ADE. The both triangle are similar, I am telling, because it satisfied WA criterion. See, 90 in both triangle, and A angle is same. So I am telling that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Okay, ADE. So by AA criterion. Okay, by AA similarity. So it will be like a similar, I am telling. Right, fine. After said this will be similar, what we have a condition in the sense corresponding sides we have in the same side. Okay, same ratio. So base divide base. First I am taking the smaller one, base is AB. So directly I will go to the value. Okay, base what is that, 2, and bigger base is 25. Right, which is equal to smaller height 5 and bigger height we have to find h. That's it. So this is what, as per like two triangles are similar, then their corresponding parts are equal. By using CPCT we are telling this. Okay, this is by CPCT, corresponding part of concurrent triangle, like that, and similar triangle also it will be. But it is not it's a equivalent ratio, not a equal, it is equivalent ratio. Right, fine. Now what are the things possible to cancel? You can cancel it, otherwise take a cross multiple. So 2 into h, 2h. So 5 into 25, that is 125. So when you cancel this, what I am getting, you see 1 2s are here, 6 2s are, and 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. When you give point, we are getting this. So therefore h equal to 62.5 meter. So this is my required answer. Are you understand? Right, where we have a 62.5, you check. This is option B. Option B is our required answer. I hope you people understand. Now we are going the next question. That is question number 2. In the given figure, what is that? DE parallel to the BC. DE parallel to the BC. They have a given diagram. This DE and BC, they said parallel. Parallel in the sense we know very well. It satisfied many things. See, it's here, this angle also same. It satisfied this angle also same, because it's like a corresponding angle. Okay, so no need to use this now. Here I'm not going to use these things. It's a parallel, that's it. Okay, the value of EC is what? EC is equal to what they are asking. Okay, parallel in the sense we have one condition, what? In a triangle like this, two lines are parallel now, we can able to use Thales theorem. So what is Thales theorem? Says AD divide DB equal to AE divide EC. So directly I am writing AD divide what is that, DB in the sense that is 3. 1.5 equal to divide 3, which is equal to 1 divided what is that, EC. So what I am writing here, AD divided DB, which is equal to AE divided EC. So this only I am writing directly as a value. Okay. Now, what is the thing here possible to cancel? 1.5. How many 1.5 now? 2 times. So when you take cross multiple, what I am getting? 1 into EC, which is equal to 1 into 2, 2. So 2 centimeter. Option B. Here also we are getting B. That's it. That is our required answer. Okay. Now I am going question number 3. If the corresponding sides of a two similar triangle, are in the ratio is a 4:9. Right. Suppose if we have a two similar triangle, it's similar to another one. This is like ABC and this is like DEF. Like this, I have a two similar triangle. Corresponding sides only we have to take, that is 4:9. Suppose here 4 na, there 9. Like that they are telling. Okay, right? Then area of this triangle are in the ratio. Okay, they are asking in the ratio. So we know very well area of a two triangle mean triangle 1 divided area of a triangle 2. Otherwise you write ABC and DEF, which is equal to square of the corresponding sides. Square of the corresponding side na 4 divided 9 whole square. So which is equal to 4 square value is 16 and 9 square value 81. When you write in the ratio, what is that? 16 is to 81. So where we have 16 is to 81? Option D. Option D is our required answer. That's it. Now we are going next question. Question number 4. Triangle ABC and PQR. So we have a two triangle. One ABC, another one PQR, and they have given some values. BC equal to 8 centimeter, QR equal to 6 centimeter. The ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and PQR is what they are asking. So these two triangle, like area we have to give in the ratio. Right, fine. Here we have already I told you, area of a triangle ABC divide area of a triangle DEF if you want. So we have to square the corresponding side BC divide QR. Just I am squaring this. So when I square, this is the formula. When suppose if you want area of a two triangle in the ratio, like a similar triangle, okay, if you want now, just you can square corresponding sides, then you will get the answer. Corresponding side here 8 is there and this is 6. So when we square 8 square the value 64, 6 square the value 36. When you write in the ratio 64 is to 36. 64 is to 36. If you want to cancel it, you can cancel. When you cancel, definitely you never get the answer, I think. So it is 4 square 16. When you cancel here, I am getting 3 square the value 9. 16 is to 9. It's not available, but 64 is to 36, it is there. So 64 is to 36. Don't worry, they never give the both answer in the in the options. Any one they will give, that you should select. Right. Now we are going next to one. Question number 5. So we have a two triangle ABC. So ABC and like PQR also is there. PQ are two triangle we have. These two they said similar. Clearly they said clearly here similar, right? And area of triangle ABC they said 81 centimeter square. Okay. And area of triangle PQR also they have given 144 centimeter square. Right, fine. Right. Next, what they are asking? QR equal to, what is that? QR equal to 6 centimeter. QR equal to 6 centimeter. Then what is BC? What is BC? QR. Oh, sorry. QR is here. Okay, QR is here. What is BC? They asked. That's it. So we know very well, like a area of the triangle ABC divide area of a triangle PQR, which is equal to square of the corresponding side. So BC divided 6 the whole square. Like that, we know the formula. So based on this only, I am going to find what is the value. Like what is BC, I am going to find. Okay. So square, area of triangle ABC, that is 81. And area of triangle PQR 144. Here it is there. So square, when you send opposite, it is whole, root. Then remaining we have BC divided 6. When you take root, I am getting 9 divided 12, which is equal to BC divided 6. 6 we can able to cancel it. You see 1 time and this is 2 time. Now 9 by 2. 9 by 2 when you divide, you check 9 by 2 is there or not. If it is not there, you go with the point. Then 4.5 is the BC. So where we have BC equal to 4.5. Yeah, option B is our required answer. Are you understand, children? Right. Now, next question number 6. Okay, a ladder in the sense of maximum, it's like a ramp like this they will give. So this is the base, this is one wall. In the wall we have one ladder. So this is the ladder. You just imagine this is a ladder. Now they said 10 meter long. This ladder, they said 10 meter long ladder reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. So from this is ground level, I told you already. From the ground level, this is 8 meter above, it is touching. So this is 8 meter now, it makes 90 degree the wall always. Then the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. See, from the foot of the wall and base of the wall, this distance they are asking. Okay, maybe if I am taking this is as a x, then what is the x they are asking? That's it. Now 90 degree opposite side we know very well, that is hypotenuse. So by using Pythagoras theorem, what is that? In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse. So square of the hypotenuse, which is equal to sum of square of other two sides. It means x square plus 8 square. That's it. 8 you send opposite. I mean 8 square. 10 squared 100 we know. And 8 squared the value 64, which is equal to x square. When you subtract, I am getting 36 square. When you bring opposite, it will be root, which is equal to x. When you take root, I am getting plus or minus 6. As a length, we should take only positive. So, x equal to 6 centimeter. Sorry, 6 meter. 6 meter. That's it. Option C is our required answer. I hope you will understand this. Now, I am going the next one. Question number 7. Right. In given figure, DE parallel to BC. Yeah, this two is a parallel. They said clearly. Then what is x equal? X equal to what? They are asking. Where is x? In the bottom of the triangle. That is bigger triangle base. Okay. Now you observe carefully. We have a two triangle. One is what? ADE. Okay. One A, D and E. And next one, what is the bigger? That is ABC. Okay. Next is bigger. That is what? A, B, C. BC only they have mentioned clearly as a x. And if I go with full value AB, 2 plus 3, I am getting 5. So this is 5 centimeter. And AD value, it is 2. So 2 centimeter. As well as DE value, they said 4 centimeter. It's a 4. Okay, 4 centimeter. Now we have to find the value of x. Clearly, we know very well they have a given B angle and D angle is same because it's a parallel. Parallel in the sense it is satisfied by the corresponding angles, it will be equal. At the same time, angle A is common for both. It's common for both and this will be equal. That is given. So, as per the AA criterion, these two triangle will be similar. So, triangle ADE and ABC are similar as per the AA criterion. Understand? So, after getting this will be similar, then we know very well one thing, the corresponding sides in the same ratio. Same inside, it will be equal. So, base divide base, and one side will be one side. So, one side divide one side. That's it. Now, you cancel it. This is 1 2s are 2 2s are. So, when you take cross multiple, 2 into 5 10 and 1 into x. That's it. Now, x equal to 10. X equal to 10, option B. That's it. So, this is our required answer. Okay. Now, I am going question number 8. I hope you people understand this. Now, I am going question number 8. So, question number 8. So, D, E, F. So, we have a 3 points. Add the midpoints of BC, CA and AB. First, we have to go one bigger triangle. I am going to draw. Like bigger triangle I am taking. The bigger triangle name they have given of the triangle ABC. So, this is A, B, C I am taking. Here, they said clearly the D point is a midpoint of BC. So, here I will mention the D point. Like that, E point is midpoint of CA. So, this will be E point. And next, F point is midpoint of AB. So, let me write here A. What is that? F point. Okay. This is a midpoint of AB. That's it. Now, what they are asking, then the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and ABC. DEF. So, DEF next E and F. So we have to join this. Okay, then what they are asking, in the middle part we are getting one small triangle. For that and with a bigger triangle. For this together we have to find the area in the ratio. That's it. Now we know very well, they said clearly it's a midpoint. So all the D is a midpoint na. Like what is that? Half of the BC. Half of the BC is the D point. Then a BD equal to DC, like that you will get. But they are not asking this triangle. They are not asking this triangle. They are asking the middle part. So better we will go with the midpoint formula. Okay. Now you see children, in a triangle, two midpoint if we have, two midpoint E and F is there na, definitely see that EF will be parallel to the base and half of the base equal to EF. This is midpoint theorem we studied in 9th standard. So as per that, I'm going to take half of the BC equal to what I will get EF. EF, like that. If I'm taking like this, what is that? DE, what is that? If you take na DE parallel to the AC, then half of the AC equal to DF. Like that, we can take like DE equal to half of the AB. So any one is enough. No need to write all the things. I'm going to take only this. So EF you can bring this side. What is that? BC divided EF. So which is equal to 2. Just we are interchanging this. We are sending 2. We are sending opposite. And like the EF we are bring to the left hand side. So when we do like that, we will get a 2. But they asked DEF first, then ABC next. Means when you write DEF value, we should write in the numerator. So take reciprocal. So EF divided BC equal to 1 by 2. It's like a divide 1. So when you take reciprocal, it will be like a reciprocal 1 by 2, like that you will get it. Now area in the sense that we have to square the corresponding sides. Already I told you. So here I will do. So area of triangle DEF and divide, and area of triangle ABC, if you want, we should square the corresponding sides. The corresponding side already we have here. What is that? EF divide BC. So EF divide BC, the whole square. That's it. So what I am getting, this is 1 by 2 whole square. So when you square 1 square value 1 and 2 square value 4, when you write the answer in the ratio, I am getting 1:4. That's it. So this is my required answer, where we have 1:4. Option B. That's it. This is my required answer. Are you understand? Right. Now I am going to the question number 9. In triangle ABC, so we have a triangles ABC and DEF. Means we have a two triangle. So one they said ABC, right? This is my ABC. Another triangle we have DEF. Okay, this is DEF, right? Fine. Now A and E angle equal to 40. So they said clearly A angle is 40 and E angle is 40. It's not a good, because when I get angle in the top for one triangle I'm getting in the bottom of left side. So it is not a good. So I'm going to turn the like a diagram. So this diagram I'm going to getting like this. So E point I'm going to give in the top. Okay. Then D point I will bring in the bottom. So F. Now you see children, the 40 degree will go in the top. So because they said E and A is a 40. Now A is 40, E is 40. Both are in the top. Then it is okay. Because when we go with the similar, it should be equal. Left side in the center, left side, right side in the right side. Then top in the center, top. That should be follow. Then only it should be similar. Otherwise it is not, remember. Right, fine. Now what about, they have given some ratio. It should be like equal, like that they have given. AB. Now see, AB divide ED. Okay, both are right. Same side it is there, left side, it is satisfied. Then AC, right side. And EF, okay, right side. Don't think it is equal. SAR is giving like AC equal DF like that. I'm giving now. Don't think it is equal. It's not equal. I'm mentioning it's divide. It's satisfied in the same side like that. Right, fine. So both are equal. And middle angle is equal. Right, fine. So AB divide ED equal to AC divide EF, and middle angle 40 same. So definitely these two triangle means no need this one you forget, because this triangle only we have written like this. Okay, because if you are taking the old diagram, it's never satisfied, it's a similar. That is what we are drawing the diagram again like this, because here we have a 40 in the bottom, there we have given in the top. That is very important thing. Now the first and last is similar. After set similar, what are the things? Definitely the corresponding angle is equal and corresponding sides divides in the same ratio. That is very important. What are things they have given? You see, F equal to 65. So F is here. F is equal to, we have a 65 degree. F equal to 65. So I told you now only, as per what is that side angle side? As per side angle side criterion, these two will be similar. Okay. You see, what is that? AB divide ED, which is equal to AC divide EF, and what is that? A angle equal to E angle. As per this is similar. I told you already. So I am going to bring, already they have given 45 na. So then after set this together is similar, then F angle equal to the, what I am getting? C angle. F angle equal to C. F they have given like 65. So then C also 65. Okay. But they are not asking C. They are not asking C. What they asking? B angle they asked. So if it is 65, what about this? Sum of all this interior part, we know 180 degree. So 40 plus 65, that is like, what is that, 105. So from the 180, if you remove this 105, I am getting 75 degree. So my answer is 75. I hope you people understand. If you want a step, we have to add all these things, which is equal to 180 like that. We have to bring 40 degree plus 65 degree. Suppose this is B angle, right? Angle B, which is equal to 180 degree. Like that, we have to do steps. And the angle B is equal to 180 degree. When you add this and send opposite, then I am getting 105. So when you subtract, I am getting 75 degree. That's it. Where we have a 75, option C. Like that, we have to go if you want step. So without a step, while you're looking itself, it's a 75 degree. Okay. Now I'm going the last question. That is question number 10. So which of the following statement is false? They are asking which is false. They didn't ask which is right like that. Which is false they are asking. So we have to read all the statement. All isosceles triangles are similar. First it's, I think it is false. Because it's never satisfied. It's never satisfied like all say isosceles triangles are similar. I will give an example. You see, these two sides now equal. Okay, isosceles na, any triangle two side will be equal like that, we have to go. Suppose this two side will be equal and this is one triangle. Suppose the angle is like 100. Okay, now this will be 1. Right. The same thing, I am taking another isosceles triangle. You see, another isosceles triangle like that. And this is also, we have equal length. But this is angle is 130 degree. So, it never satisfied that. See, here angle is 130, here angle is 100. But this is isosceles. This is also isosceles. But the angle is, what is that? The angle is not equal. When you get angle is equal, then will be, it will be similar. Otherwise, it is not. So it's never satisfied. All isosceles triangle, you never satisfied are similar. Okay, that's what I am telling. Now, all equilateral triangles are similar. Yes, this is correct. And all circles are similar. Yes, this is correct. All squares are similar. Yes, this is also correct. So, as per the definition, similar in the sense it have same shape but not the same size. Size will be differ, but shape is very important. At the same time, see, at the same time, when you divide the corresponding sides, you should get equivalent ratio and angle should be equal. That is not satisfied in the isosceles triangle. So, I am giving the false statement is A. Option A is our required answer. Okay, children. Okay, I hope you people enjoyed my section. Right, we'll meet again in the same chapter. I'll bring another 10 important question. We'll see again. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye. Okay, yes, I forget to tell you one thing. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. See you later.